Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video but I find it very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. When do you have to change the PCV valve in the car engine? Some manufacturers say that it is convenient to change them every year. There are other manufacturers that tell you that it is advisable to change it every 100,000 kilometers, but there are also other manufacturers that I agree with them, that tell you that the PCV valve should only be changed when it fails, that is, when it is giving problems, either it stays open or it stays closed. Note that I tell you many times, why change a part that is working? I have seen here, in some comments that you have put, that the engines of your cars worked perfectly until you have changed the PCV valve, and on some occasions, smoke from the exhaust has already started. On other occasions the idle speed is changed, which has become unstable. In other times, when you have acceleration problems, as a result of changing the PCV valve, I insist on this. If something works, why change it? A lot of smoke is coming out of the exhaust. It is normally blue smoke. Because when it stays open, not only the oil vapors come out, the engine oil itself comes out, then, the combustion chamber reaches and burns, and that produces blue smoke. In addition, that changes the stoichiometric mixture, the ideal mixture of air and fuel, because oil or oil vapors are also entering that mixture. Then, if the PCV valve remains closed, then the problem that you are going to see, above everything, is in the joints, which are going to start leaking oil. Because excessive pressure is starting to be created inside the engine, I insist on it. The PCV valve, this is my advice, it is changed only when it fails. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.